Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate the Revit interface step by step. Understanding the Revit interface is essential because it helps you work faster, find tools more easily, and create building models more efficiently. So let's get started. First, open Revit and either create a new project or open an existing one. Once the project loads, you'll see the main workspace with several panels and toolbars designed to help you manage your model. At the top of the window, you'll find the ribbon, which contains tabs such as Architecture, Structure, Insert, Annotate, View, and Manage. Each tab groups related tools together, making it easier to access the commands you need. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Project Browser and the Properties palette. The Project Browser lets you switch between floor plans, elevations, sections, schedules, and three-dimensional views, while the Properties palette displays settings for the currently selected object or active tool. These two panels are among the most frequently used parts of the interface. In the center of the window is the drawing area where you'll create and edit your building model. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out, hold the middle mouse button to pan around the model, and use the navigation tools to orbit your view when working in three-dimensional mode. Finally, explore the View Cube and navigation controls to quickly switch between different perspectives and save your project regularly as you work. And that's it. You now know how to navigate the Revit interface and locate the essential tools you'll use in almost every project. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!